Warning: unplug or isolate the electricity supplied to your machine before carrying out this how-to guide. Thank you. Welcome to my how-to guide on how to reverse a door on a Zanussi Condenser dryer. It's available on this model and a lot of other available models. The key to finding out is just simply to have a look inside the door once you open it. This is the locking latch. This here is the start button inside here, and there is another locking latch. The next thing you want to do is inspect the catch on which you want to reverse onto. You see this little white thing inside? Press the open door button and it should pull away. Here's the opposite side. This is the side we've come out from. As you can see, it does not work. On this machine, the cable that links between this latch and the button, the cable for it has broken. If it's possible, you want to open the door fully. You want to remove this. So, simply take this, rotate 90 degrees, either anti-clockwise or clockwise, and pull out. And then just wiggle it about, there we are, until it comes out that hole. See? To complete this door reversal, you're going to need the following items. Some towels on the floor, a 7mm ratchet, or a 7mm spanner, a flathead screwdriver with a small tip, like this, a narrow tip, and a medium size Phillips head screwdriver. That's quite a lot of tools considering it's just reversing the door. You also want to allocate yourself half an hour to do this job. First, you're going to want to remove these. So get 2 screwdrivers, on either side. You have to push together and pull towards you. Well, I know that seems like a difficult thing to do. It is with 2 screwdrivers, although you can use a pair of long nose pliers. Now I'll just move to the other side. It's very pushed as it is. Just put these 2 at one side now. Next step is to actually remove these bolts at the bottom here. Now, it's a bit hindered at the normal 90 degree or 135 degrees, so try and get it as open as you can. We're now up to 165 degree opening. As long as you can get your 8mm ratchet in, doesn't matter how far you open it, as long as it's just enough to get it in. Flip this onto reverse. Just remove the door if it falls off first. Place your door to one side. The towel's going to come in handy in a minute. And continue removing the 8mm screws. Put safe to one side. Now we're going to focus on the door. Before you start anything, you need to remove these pins. There's one here. Just get your screwdriver underneath it and lever it out. Enough to grip and pull out. Flip upside down. There's another one there. Lever it out. Pull. Right. Now what you've got is you want to take out these. So to take out, simply turn clockwise or anti-clockwise. You might have, it will fall out generally, but you might have to, if I turn it the other way, watch. You might just have to try and flick it out with your flathead screwdriver. Get a screwdriver. I'm going to use this one. Push in. We'll try to find a flatter edge one. Just sit in nicely. Push into 70 clockwise. And believe it or not, these little plastic caps are screws. Take out the top and bottom one. Only you don't need to take this one out here. Right. Next, get your bracket and its 2 screws. Put a bracket and it'll screw in top and bottom. This is hanging a lot lower than what it should be, because there's a reason for this. Next, get your door. Just take a look at it. Face it towards you. Right, the pins originally came out of this side, at the top and the bottom. But we want the door now going the opposite way, so we put them this side. Not sure which way they're supposed to go in? Right, just take a look at this little hole here. Now what happens is, in the dryer, is that all the air comes from the back, through to the front, through this filter here. Behind this filter is then a duct inside here that comes around here, and then that goes through your condenser. Now your condenser is on the right hand side of the machine. So if you want to open it from right to left, you're going to want the pins on this side. If you want the door to open from left to open right, you put the pins in this side. So grab our 2 pins, just simply push in all the way as far as possible, then flip it upside down. We'll get the bottom, get the other pin, just wiggle it. This little trick might help. Get your ratchet, put the hole over, push down. There we are, so it's fully in. Right, now we want to mount the door. So when we mount the door, we're going to want 2 feet of space. Now, to your left, this hole here, this is what this pin goes into. There we are. This next bit's quite tricky. It is possible to do it by yourself. You may want to ask someone to come and help. So what you're best wanting to do is put the pin in the bottom here, and this hole on this side. Make sure that the bracket is loose. Push up with one hand, left-handed, use your left hand, If you're left-handed, use your right hand. If you're right-handed, like I am, use your left hand. Right, we'll put this ratchet into the opposite direction now so we can lock it. I'll lock the top one first, as it's easy to get at. And just close it just to test. It won't lock, there's no locking mechanism back on it at the minute. When you're closing it to test, when you push, you'll hear a faint click. If that faint click is happening, you've done it correctly. Because this button inside the door is pushing that button right there. Right, what you want to do now is take this little rubber thing here, just push to one side like that, push till this flicks out here, then grab by both and pull out. That's it. Take this little plastic thing that you took out first. You want this to go in here, so it locks. So what you need to do to put it in is twist 90 degrees, and then twist back 90 degrees until it's in. See? Push, 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 push. That's pulling it now. That's basically your door stop to stop it going all the way back. Of course, if you want your door to open 180 degrees, you can just take this out. You'll find that your door has 4 of these holes, which are blocked in with these little rubber things. So the rubber that you just took out, just simply get in the middle, push. That's it. If you're struggling, just get your screwdriver. This is where the original plastic latch door restrainer came out of. So, get this on the back. It's this. So what you want to do is push in. Get your screwdriver. Turn anti-clockwise 90 degrees. What you want to now get is your 2 plastic screws. Final bit, and this is the crucial bit. 2 holes either side. Now, these have to stay up, and these have to be at the bottom. This has to stay on top, this has to be on the bottom. But which side they go on matters. Well, this is a blank. And lever it, push the top in first. Like so. And push in at the bottom. Get a bit of a wiggle. Make sure it's properly in. That is your door latch. It's sprung loaded too. There. To give it an extra bit of push when you push the door open button. Final thing you want to do is test. Closed. Press the door open. It should push it out for you. Finally, you want to switch it on. Select no heat.